We're down here in the boiler room of this school, and here you can see the three large boilers. And over here are the fire alarm control panels. The first one here is the master fire alarm control panel, and this is a standard electric time panel. The ID tag here shows that this panel was manufactured in 1958. We have the code motor here, and at the top we have some resistors. The one here in the middle is a fixed resistor, and this one here at the top is a variable resistor. Over here we have various relays, and down here we have a couple fuses. Now, next to the master control panel is an extender panel, also standard electric time, and we'll open that and look at that. Here we have some more resistors. These three here are fixed resistors. Looks like we got a 20, a 5, and 45 ohm resistor. And again, we have a couple more relays. And then the terminal hook up here at the bottom. And there's another relay there. Now, this system is wired, horns are wired as the audible signals that are throughout the building. And those horns, I think I have one over here I can show you. These are the type of horns that are used throughout the building. These look like they're simplex horns. Yeah, they are. These are simplex horns, and they're 1.5 amps. So we're going to go ahead and activate this fire alarm system so you can hear how it sounds, and also you can see how the master control panel operates once we've activated the system.